Hello, everyone. Max here from MX English Podcast. I'm so glad you're here today because we're going to talk about something real, something honest. We're talking about that nervous feeling you get when you want to speak English, but something stops you. Maybe your heart beats faster. Maybe your mind goes blank. Maybe you just stay quiet. Today, you will learn how to speak even when you feel afraid. You will learn how to grow your confidence from 0 to strong. Are you ready? Let's do this together. You know what? I want to ask you something. When was the last time you wanted to say something in English, but you didn't? Maybe it was yesterday. Maybe it was this morning. You had the words in your head, but they didn't come out. Why? Because fear was there. That uncomfortable feeling in your chest. That little voice saying, "No, don't speak." Here's what I know. Fear of speaking English is not about your English level. You can know 5,000 words and still feel scared. You can understand grammar perfectly and still stay silent. So what is the real problem? The real problem is this. You believe your fear more than you believe yourself. Let me explain. Fear tells you stories. It says, your pronunciation is bad. People will not understand you. You will look stupid. But these stories are not true. They are just thoughts. And thoughts are not facts. You can have a thought and still choose to speak. You can feel nervous and still open your mouth. That's the secret. Now I want to show you something important. Let's look at the reasons why people feel afraid. Maybe you will recognize yourself here. Reason number 1, perfectionism. You want every word to be correct. Every sentence must be beautiful. Every accent must sound like a native speaker. But my friend, this is impossible. Even native speakers make mistakes. Even they forget words sometimes. Even they say and So why do you need to be perfect? You don't. You just need to communicate. That's enough. Reason number 2, bad experiences from the past. Maybe one time someone laughed at your English. Maybe a teacher corrected you many times. Maybe you felt embarrassed once. And now that memory stays in your mind. It says, don't try again, it will happen again. But the past is not the future. Today is a new day. You are stronger now. Reason number 3, you think too much before you speak. Your brain is working very hard. It's choosing words, checking grammar, thinking about pronunciation. But while you think, the moment passes. The conversation moves forward, and you say nothing. Thinking too much kills speaking. Sometimes you just need to speak first and think later. If you're serious about becoming fluent and want to hear more strategies like this every week, hit that subscribe button for MX English Podcast. I share real techniques that work, not just theory. Let's keep learning together. Okay, so we understand why fear happens. Now let's talk about the solution. How do you build real, strong confidence? I will give you practical techniques. Techniques you can use today. Technique number 1, speak to yourself every day. Yes, you heard me. Talk to yourself in English. It sounds strange, but it works. Why? Because when you speak alone, there is no pressure. Nobody is listening. Nobody is judging. You can make mistakes freely. You can practice pronunciation. You can try new words. Here's how to do it. Choose 5 minutes every morning. Look in the mirror and describe your day. Say things like this. Today, I will go to work. I feel a little tired, but okay. I need to buy some food later. Repeat after me. Today, I will practice English. I am getting better every day. Simple sentences, easy words, but you are using your voice. You are training your mouth. You are building confidence quietly, safely. Technique number 2, change your mistakes into lessons. Every time you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Feel curious. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? For example, maybe you say, I go to the store yesterday. Then you realize, oh, I need past tense. I went to the store yesterday. That's it. You learned something. You don't need to feel ashamed. You need to feel proud because you noticed, you improved. Here's a powerful sentence to remember. Say it with me. Mistakes help me grow. I learn from every mistake. Write these sentences down. Put them where you can see them every day. Technique number 3. Find one speaking partner. Just one person. Not a class of 20 people. Not a group. One friend who also learns English. You can practice together. You can make mistakes together. You can laugh together. When you have a safe person, speaking becomes easier. The fear gets smaller. You can find partners online, in apps, in language exchange websites. Send a message. Be brave. Say, hello, I want to practice English. Can we talk for 10 minutes once a week? Many people will say yes. Many people feel the same fear as you. Technique number 4, and this is very powerful. Celebrate small wins. Don't wait until you speak perfectly. Celebrate when you say one sentence to a stranger. Celebrate when you understand a movie scene. Celebrate when you write a message in English. These small moments matter. They build your confidence brick by brick. Every night before you sleep, think about one good thing you did in English today. Maybe you listened to this podcast. That's a win. Maybe you read one paragraph. That's a win. Recognize your progress. Your brain will start to believe, I can do this. Now, let me tell you what kills confidence. These are the enemies. If you know them, you can fight them. Enemy number 1, waiting to feel ready. Many people say, I will speak when my English is better. I will try when I know more words. I will practice when I feel confident. But this is backwards, my friend. You don't feel confident first and then speak. You speak first and then feel confident. Action creates confidence, not the other way around. So stop waiting. Start now. Even if you know only 100 words, use them. Even if your grammar is not perfect, speak anyway. The confidence will come after you begin. Enemy number 2, listening to negative people. Maybe someone said, your English is not good. Maybe someone made fun of your accent. These words hurt. They stay in your memory. But here's the truth. Their words don't define you. Their opinion is not your reality. You choose what you believe. You choose what voices you listen to. So listen to people who encourage you. Listen to people who support you. And, most importantly, listen to your own kind voice. The voice that says, keep going, you're doing great. Every step counts. Enemy number 3, trying to sound like a native speaker. This is a trap. You are not a native speaker. You will never be a native speaker, and that's completely okay. You are a learner. You are a speaker of English as a second language. That's beautiful. That's valuable. Your goal is not to sound American or British or Australian. Your goal is to communicate clearly, to share your ideas, to connect with people. If they understand you, you succeed. Your accent tells your story. It shows your culture. Don't hide it. Own it. Let me share something personal with you. When I started speaking English, I felt so shy. I was afraid every time. My accent was strong. I forgot words. I made grammar mistakes. But I kept speaking, little by little, day by day. And you know what happened? The fear got smaller. My confidence got bigger. Not because my English became perfect, but because I stopped waiting for perfect. You can do the same. Your journey is just beginning. And every word you speak, every sentence you try, every mistake you make is moving you forward. If you're committed to speaking English with confidence and you don't want to miss powerful tips like these, subscribe to MIX English Podcast right now. I'm here every week to help you grow. Let's build your confidence together, one episode at a time. So here's what I want you to do today, right now. Choose one small action, just one. Maybe you will speak to yourself for 2 minutes. Maybe you will send a voice message to a friend. Maybe you will say thank you in English to someone. Pick one thing. Do it today. Don't think too much, just do it. And remember these important truths. You don't need perfect English to speak. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You don't need to wait until you're ready. You just need to begin. Fear will always be there, a little bit. That's normal. That's human. But you are stronger than your fear. You can speak even when your hands shake. You can try even when you feel unsure. That's courage. That's growth. That's confidence. I believe in you. I really do. You are here, listening, learning, trying. That already makes you brave. So keep going, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. This is Max from MIX English Podcast. Thank you for spending this time with me. Now, go practice. Go speak. Go build that confidence. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.